So don't be buying Bitcoin on Cash App until you watch this video, because I think it's really imperative for you to understand how Bitcoin works on Cash App. Now, I've made a couple videos going into detail, but I want to show you here in this video in real time. So I have the app loaded up, as you can see, and what we're going to do is go into the Bitcoin section of Cash App. Now, if for some reason you don't have Cash App already, I'll have a link for it in the show notes down below. You can sign up. Supports both me and you as a free little $5 bonus. Now, what we're going to do is click on the little icon that has kind of like that bar graph, as well as that little Bitcoin icon on the bottom right-hand side. And this is going to take you into a spot that has either the investing for stocks or investing for Bitcoin. So you can see you can toggle between the two. Now, we're currently here with the Bitcoin. I did end up selling my very small shares in Bitcoin here, but the reason you want to know about buying Bitcoin on Cash App is you got to be very cautious with the information that you have. Luckily, Cash App does give you some information right over here, so you can read news articles when it comes to learning about Bitcoin. And then if you decide to buy into Bitcoin, there's something you really need to know. There is a cost that comes with it. Even though it might seem like it's free, there is a cost. So as an example, if I place an order for $1 with Cash App right over here, it's going to show you all the costs that come with it, right? So you can see here total, it says total Bitcoin purchase is 97 cents. So that means I'm paying 3 cents in fees to be able to buy into Bitcoin. Doesn't seem like a lot of money, but that can be impactful for you the more and more you're spending, right? Because with $100, that is a lot more money. With $1,000, that is even more. And if you're going to go through and sell all the Bitcoin you have, or even portions of it, you are also going to pay fees. That doesn't mean that you should not be buying into Bitcoin if you wanted to, just something you should keep in mind when going through this process. Now, the other biggest thing that you want to keep in mind too is the fluctuation of Bitcoin, even on Cash App, can be pretty sporadic. You can see the chart over here just in the last day, or even in the last week, or even in the last month. It goes up and down, so you got to be very cautious, because buying into Bitcoin costs you money and selling out of Bitcoin also costs you money as well. Now, if you want to learn how to buy into Bitcoin here on Cash App entirely, check out my video right over here to learn exactly how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.